I'm Eric Martin, and I did the chemical dispersion robot.
My name is Jamyn Moore, and I will be going over the Pooper Scooper robot.
I'm Sean Mize, maker of the Yard Manager robot.
My name is Alex Regalado, and I'll be going over the lawnmower robot. This presentation is about the perfect patch patrol. Lawn care is a physically demanding, time-consuming, expensive endeavor that is often neglected because of its difficulty. Our target audience are single-family homeowners and commercial property owners. Some issues that our customers may face may include a higher initial cost as well as a recurring cost due to interchangeable blades, sensors, wear and tear, and whatnot. We've developed an integrated automatic system for lawnmowers to reduce the labor required and the time spent maintaining their yard. The proposed robots are the lawnmower robot by Alex, Pooper Scooper robot by Jamyn, chemical dispersion robot by Eric, and the yard manager robot by Sean. The lawnmower robot has 3 motors, 2 of which control each side of the robot to allow left and right, backwards and forwards movement. Third motor is a DC motor which allows for the cutting action of the robot, all of which are relying on the distance sensor to know what to do within a given distance, along with an IR sensor to receive signals from the yard manager to allow for all of this to happen.
The Pooper Scooper robot is an automated robot for pet waste. It locates waste using an ultrasonic distance sensor. It moves forward, backwards, left, and right with 2 DC motors. Its front scoop can be lowered and dumped with a servo motor. It has an infrared sensor or IR sensor attached to receive and send signals to the yard manager for all operations.
This is the chemical dispersion robot. It uses a dispersion device on top of the unit that disperses chemicals and fertilizer. It uses 2 gear motors to drive around the lawn, and then a DC motor to spin the dispersion device to disperse the chemicals and fertilizer. And it also uses a distance sensor to detect obstacles in front of it and avoid the obstacles.
The Yard Manager collects serial input via the Arduino serial monitor from the user. This user input is used to determine whether the other robots will receive commands to perform work or whether work is not required. The Yard Manager flies around using 4 props, flying from robot to robot, sending commands based on user input. It has wireless communication capabilities, both to receive data from the user and to send data to the other robots. This is a short video of collaboration. In the beginning, the Yard Manager robot receives user input. It then flies to a robot based on user commands and sends a signal telling it to do work. The chemical dispersion robot here is dispersing chemicals based on user command. Flying to another robot, the Pooper Scooper, it also receives a command to do work, and the Pooper Scooper begins its job of picking up poop using pressure sensors. The Yard Manager flies to the last robot, the lawnmower, which is also told to perform work, and the lawnmower turns on and performs its job.
On this slide, you will see the competitors in the industry. On the right side, you have the manual push-along mower, the manual Pooper Scooper, and the manual seeder. The left side, you'll see the robot lawnmower and the robot Pooper Scooper. What sets our robots apart from these competitors is that our robots are more efficient, there's no physical labor, and the multiple types of lawn care shown here are all in one system, which will make lawn care being more efficient.
Conclusion: Perfect Patch Patrol's report is a research and development topic that drives innovation in areas of lawn care to provide services that are not yet available. These services include the following: waste management, chemical maintenance, and lawn mowing. For more information, please refer to the full project report. Here are the references we used for the project report. Thank you.